Hello everyone, I'm Tom Rowe, Project Evangelist for CentreStack, and welcome to another CentreStack tutorial. Recent updates have brought us many enhancements to CentreStack, including better access to file sharing for our Microsoft Outlook users. First, I'm going to the Windows 2012 R2 machine where I have CentreStack Server installed. Here I log in to the Web Portal Cluster Management area. From the dashboard, I choose Default Group Policy, then expand Client Control and choose Native Client. If you scroll down, you can see the Enable Auto Installation of Outlook plugin. Enable that and then save. Now back to the Windows 10 machine where I've installed the Windows client. You will see a pop-up, New Outlook Plugin, Cloud Windows Client. Choose Yes. If Outlook was already open on this system, you should completely exit out of the application and restart it. That will ensure the Outlook add-in is ready to use. Now in Outlook, to use the add-in, you select New Email. And here you can see the add-in buttons for the Windows client that have been added here so that you can integrate CentreStack functionality into your emails. The first use case involves the Add Files option. Simply add some text to your email content, then click Add File. You can then use a familiar Windows Explorer to navigate to find a file you want to upload. Notice I'm adding a file that is more than 130 kilobytes. The email will only be barely larger than the text in the email allows, because the add-in uses your cloud drive to upload the large file or files, and the receiver will then have a link to download the file rather than a large attachment included in the email itself. The second use case is very similar. You add text to the content of your email, then click Add Folder. Then in the similar fashion, you choose the folder you wish to add, and the add-in takes care of all the work of creating a subfolder in your cloud drive, and then creating a link to access that folder when the receiver gets the email. Once the email is sent, it may take a few minutes for the receiver to get it. In the meantime, CentreStack has set up a folder on the server for them to access and view these files. The final use case is Request File. Here you can see how easy it is to send a file request to the email recipient. You set up a password for them to access a folder in CentreStack where they can upload files. So here you can see the user receives the email. He clicks the link that's embedded, types in the password which you gave him through another channel like an email or a message or a phone call. Okay, then he selects those files that he wants to upload. Okay, then he hits upload, and that's all there is to sending the files. So you sign into CentreStack later and you go to your file browser, and there you see the received files where you can look at the files that were sent to you. As you can see, the Outlook add-in creates an easy and useful way for you to take advantage of CentreStack's features from within an email. It handles all of the difficult tasks of creating a shared space for you to interact with others using email to give them access to files and folders in your server. I hope this video is useful to you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video if you liked it, and share it with anyone else that will find it helpful. Again, this is Tom, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.